this certificate has been framed in such a way so that it will help you. I mean, you see, the first point is topics area covered. First is 60 hours internship under a certified corporate trainer. 60 hours internship. 60 hours internship मतलब 60 घंटे का आपको कोर्स दिया गया. Second point which we covered in this section was identify and access areas of personal growth and development. Alright, हम लोगों ने इसके ऊपर भी चर्चा किया. Third one is advanced vocabulary. Fourth is expressions of body language in communication. We also covered this area. Fifth is how to build self-esteem and self-confidence. Next one is introduction to group discussion. We also covered this section, and finally it was public speaking. So these are some of the areas that we covered during the entire program. Alright, because this was your necessity. As you guys told me, जैसा श्रद्धा मैम ने और दिव्या मैम ने बताया था कि इस टाइप की चीजें हैं, so I included especially this section so that if you produce it somewhere, it will help you. You can show it anywhere because ours is a registered society. Alright, wherever you will go, you can show the certificate. No issues. 3 more here. Actually, he has gone. He'll bring it and will be happy. So, anything to ask from this section? No, classes are there. I mean, classes are there. You can continue.
I get emotional.
And don't get emotional. Classes are there. Watch more and more English movies. It will really help you. Watch English movies more and more. It really helps a lot. Alright. और कुछ बाकी जो आप लोग हैं, आप लोगों को भी इसी तरीके से देना है जो हैं. You have to perform like this.
मेरे को 5 दे दीजिएगा.
हाँ?
5.
Sure. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मैसेज. और आप लोगों के experiences, it was nice. जैसा आप लोगों ने सोचा था कुछ हद तक मिला. ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि because you expect, if you expect 100, you get around 70 or 80. So I can think like that कि बहुत ज़्यादा सोचते हैं. You know, when people start thinking of, that's my question. This is mine. Start expecting more and more in your life, so that you can achieve more and more. And remember that line always: every master was once a disaster.
Yes.
You know, I read that line every day.
Which line, sir?
Every master was once a disaster.
Once
a disaster. Everybody, it's the case with everybody. सब नहीं बोल सकते कि हमारा एकदम सीख गए. It has never been the case like that. तो प्रयास करते रहिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. Work on your body language. One important point is work on your body language. See, Vidya, I would like to say something about your performance. Personally, I would like to say, see, it was one of the nicest performances I saw. I mean, in this party, one of the nicest performances. Second is, if you have done it before, I mean, I also have some parameters in my life. मेरे को कुछ parameters. First, if you would have given it, you know, undoubtedly I would have given you the prize.
Sir, I am absent minded.
That time. That is the thing you have to learn. See, I'll give you a simple example. What happens? Let's say you love Toyota. If you love Toyota, try to understand the psychology, your psychology itself. You love Toyota, and then you move to showroom to purchase Toyota, and then you bring it home, and now you're driving it. Obviously, you're enjoying driving Toyota. आप enjoy कर रहे हैं. Suddenly, what happens? From next day onwards, your life changes. How? You see Toyota everywhere. Does it happen or not? You see Toyota everywhere, but before you purchased Toyota was never in Korba. You did not find a single Toyota. Rarely you could have seen Toyota. But the moment you purchase it, अरे उसका भी Toyota. It means what? What does it mean? It means opportunities are always there with you. When you recognize the opportunity, you get the opportunity. Try to recognize the opportunity. Next day, say everywhere there is Toyota. Whenever you purchase anything from next day onwards, आपका दिमाग उसी में है. Oh, there is Toyota. So opportunities are always there. Try to pick up that rock. So you got the opportunity. That is the first opportunity and last opportunity. Sometimes learn from that. That's it. So it was nice. Regarding Pyali, you just need to work on your body language. थोड़ा सा body language के ऊपर, also facial expression. When you are saying something, when you are conveying your message to somebody, you are look into their eyes. Look into the eyes of the people to convey your message. कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, आते हैं और ऊपर देख देख के बात कर रहे हैं, बोल अच्छा है, but they are watching upstairs, उधर देख देख के. And where is Tushar? तुषार asked question in such a way, किस तरीके से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है, मन क्या बोल रहा है, कोई जवाब मत दे. मन बोल रहा है, कोई जवाब मत दे. उसके बाद क्वेश्चन, okay, how many of you think that Facebook kills face-to-face conversation? अब उधर से मैडम ने कुछ बोला, अरे मत बोलो. He is not even looking who is saying. My dear, when somebody is telling you something, please look in, at least recognize them that they are saying something. कोई उधर से कुछ बोल रहा है, अरे हो गया ना भाई. Don't say like that. इतना अच्छा था. What a nice thing he said. And what a nice question. It really kills face-to-face conversation. It hampers your body language. When you're talking to somebody in a Skype and when you're talking to somebody in face-to-face, there is a huge difference about your body language. It really kills our face-to-face conversation. Recognize people when they're answering you. Look into their eyes. कोई दिक्कत है? Alright, then.
Last three. 1, 2, and